Hey, how's it going? I'm Tom Coffey. I just wanted to say thank you for checking out the Planet Fitness Guide to Working Out. I wanted to film this quick video, one, to introduce myself and so you can get to know my face, put a face with the emails you'll be receiving, and two, just explain a little bit about the guide to help you get started. So I created the Planet Fitness Guide to Working Out based on the questions, the most common questions I was asked over 6 years and 3,000 hours coaching as a personal trainer. The guide is really designed to help folks who are new to the gym or just maybe have questions about what to do or what to do to get started, literally eliminate confusion and build confidence in the gym. So I hope you enjoy the guide. I hope it's helpful. Please use me as a resource. I'm happy to help. I'm here to help and I want to help. If you have questions or something doesn't make sense, you can always hit reply and email me, or if you need the email address again, it's tom@tomcoffeefitness.com. I try to get back to every email as fast as I can, but it usually takes me about less than a day, but just give me about 24 hours to respond. But yeah, that's really about it. Like I said, I just wanted to introduce myself, say thank you for checking out the guide. That way, again, you have a face to put with the emails. And like I said, I'm here to help you. I want to help you. And I know getting started working out can be a little bit daunting and even downright scary at times. So please let me know what I can do to help you. I'm looking forward to hearing more about your journey. Chat with you soon.